So Mom just said she saw a sea lion right over here.
Yep, there is it down there.
Oh yeah.
I'm into the fish.
That's nice. It's a very peaceful morning out on the harbor right now. There's a sea lion right there. Oh, look at that. It's just chilling right there. Hi. Hello. Yeah, he is so cute. He's really nice. Very nice little fellow. Oh, there's two. Oh no. Are they? Oh my god, there's three. They're all over the freaking place. Holy crap. There's three freaking sea lions around here, and then these two, they might be making out. I don't know. There's another one over there. There's so many sea lions. Look at him. He's sticking his little fins out. That is so freaking cool. And then you can see his little silhouette down there. See him like underwater. Look at him. He's just chilling there. He's like so relaxed. I think I've taken a lot of pictures from this particular angle, like from this little row right here. And then here's there's a nice big lighthouse right here. I don't think they actually use the light in this, but still pretty nice. And then inside it, I think it's closed now, but there's actually a little gift shop in there. That guy. There's a lot of surfers out here today. Like, look over there. There's three surfers on that one wave. They're still going. I mean, the waves look pretty nice today. Like, here goes these two guys right there. And here goes that guy right there. Yeah, I think the weight in the... Holy crap. Okay, so I'm looking out here and I see some dolphins like that there. See if they're gonna pop up yet. Pop up and maybe I'll get some. Yeah, there it is, right there. There's a couple dolphins out there. That's cool. Guy's good. Yeah, you got it. That guy right over there got it really nice. Oh, there's another guy over there. Oh, we wiped out. Oh, this guy got it. Oh, that guy's gonna try to catch one. You got it. This little guy right here got it. Yeah, that's a good wave. Like, here's another one. Let's see if this guy's gonna get it. Okay, so we're heading back now. So I'm gonna try to get a little time lapse on my GoPro right here, see how this turns out. This is the skydiving plane right here. It's taking off right now. Let's see, there it goes. Oh, it looks like it's a little foggy on that plane landing. Was it gonna do a go around? Oh, there must be a training flight. I guess it's doing touch and goes. Oh, that one requires a really short takeoff. That's not even. Oh, come on.